And that's what devastates the Thunder defense.
And it's also the with Wembanyama.
Well, tagumpay nga po ang San Antonio Spurs na maipanalo ang Game 4 para sa West Finals laban sa Oklahoma City Thunder sa score na 103-82. At naghalimaw nga po sa Game 4 si Wembanyama na nagtala ng 33 points, 8 rebounds at 3 blocks.
Wemby for 3. On the bench.
Russo comes into the game.
Alat na laruan naman para sa back-to-back MVP dahil nagtala lamang ito ng 19 points, 6 out of 15 sa field. Karamihan pa sa puntos ni SGA ay galing sa free throw area.
They did that and get 3 and it didn't work out for them. In for San Antonio, SGA with a step. SGA capturized the ball away. Wembanyama.
At grabing hustle play naman ang ginawa ni Stephon Castle, mapa-opensa man o depensa.
Castle turning the corner, gets it. Castle right into Holmgren's chest and scores.
He can see where the defense is coming, where the double is going to be off.
Badges naman para sa OKC dahil out pa din si AJ Mitchell at questionable naman si Jalen Williams. 2 games na nga pong hindi nakapaglaro si Williams dahil sa kanyang injury. Kailangan na nga po ng OKC Thunder si Jalen Williams dahil isa ito sa bumubuhat ng opensa para sa OKC Thunder. Game 5 na nga po at magbabalik na sa home court ng OKC Thunder, makabawi kaya ang defending champion o makakadalawang sunod ang San Antonio Spurs.
Yama gives you a 33 and 9 rebound. Pick and roll to the basket. Wemby couldn't catch. Got to the red. Got Wemby out of the paint. Back to the back. There's the other way with Vassell. To Wemby.
Putting the ball here. Knew exactly how much time was